When it comes to finding the best BIM company in HBR Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a clear standout. With its exceptional track record and expertise in the field of building information modeling, BIM, SCON Design has established itself as a leader in the industry. The company's commitment to delivering high-quality services and innovative solutions sets it apart from its competitors. SCON Design is renowned for its ability to deliver projects on time and within budget, making it the preferred choice for clients in HBR Layout and beyond. The company's team of highly skilled professionals is well-versed in the latest BIM technologies and techniques, ensuring that every project is executed with precision and accuracy. SCON Design's attention to detail and commitment to excellence have earned it a reputation for being the best BIM company in the area. What sets SCON Design apart from other BIM companies is its comprehensive range of services. The company offers a wide array of BIM solutions, including 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, and construction documentation. This versatility allows SCON Design to cater to the diverse needs of its clients, whether they are architects, engineers, contractors, or developers. By providing a one-stop solution for all BIM-related requirements, SCON Design streamlines the project workflow and ensures seamless collaboration among all stakeholders. Another reason why SCON Design is considered the best BIM company in HBR Layout is its commitment to innovation. The company stays up to date with the latest advancements in BIM technology and continually invests in cutting-edge software and tools. This enables SCON Design to deliver projects that are not only visually stunning but also highly efficient and cost-effective. By leveraging the power of BIM, the company helps clients optimize their designs, reduce errors, and improve overall project outcomes. When it comes to finding the best BIM company in HBR Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a leader in the industry. With their expertise and commitment to excellence, they have established themselves as a trusted name in the field of building information modeling, BIM. SCON Design has consistently delivered high-quality BIM services to clients in a wide range of sectors including architecture, engineering, and construction. With their innovative approach and cutting-edge technology, SCON Design is able to provide clients with accurate and detailed BIM models that streamline the design and construction process. One of the reasons why SCON Design is considered the best BIM company in HBR Layout, Bangalore is their team of highly skilled professionals. The company employs a team of experienced architects, engineers, and BIM specialists who have a deep understanding of the BIM processes and workflows. This expertise allows them to efficiently handle complex projects and deliver exceptional results. SCON Design's team is also well-versed in the latest software and tools used in BIM, ensuring that their clients receive the most up-to-date and accurate models. SCON Design's commitment to quality is another factor that sets them apart